Hi Abigail, Nicholas. So this is Pansit. You're getting married. I'm really happy for you kasi alam mo naman yung mga pinagdaanan dati. At least 'di ba, happy ka na ngayon. So dahil malayo nga ako, hindi ako makakapunta diyan. Sana all na lang. Nag-ready na lang ako ng konting message for you and for Nicholas. Bahala ka na mo-translate sa kanya, charot. Abigail, Gaboy, you're getting married and my heart is bursting with happiness for you. You found your forever and this chapter fills me with pride, gratitude, and so much love. You've always deserved a love that feels like home. And thanks for Niklas for giving that um, unconditional love for my Abigail. To Niklas, welcome to the crazy beautiful world of loving Abby. Wishing you endless laughter, inside jokes, and a lifetime supply of patience. Seriously, charot. Mabait naman sa Abigail. Abigail and Niklas, today, two amazing people officially teamed up. Congratulations, guys. Best wishes, and I'm waiting for baby number 2, charot. I really miss you and I love you so much, guys. Hola, best friends. Congratulations on your marriage. I wish you both the best. At hindi pagkalipate na iya ako permi imo best friend. Happy gid ako kimo dahil na found mo gid imo forever. I love you.
To my dearest friend Abigail and her husband Nicholas, I'm sorry I'm unable to be there on your special day, but I wish you both a lifetime of happiness. In this exciting chapter of your lives, may your marriage be built on the foundation of His faith, anchored in God's love, and strengthened by His grace. Best wishes on this wonderful journey as you begin your new lives together.
Nicholas.
Hello.
Sorry we won't be able to physically witness your wedding today, but we would like to wish the both of you a lifetime of love and happiness and more babies pa. Again, I hope your marriage be filled with love and understanding, and yeah, congratulations.
Congratulations.